Creating and working on PDF documents has never been easier. airSlate allows you to edit original PDF content like a regular Word document and integrate PDF editing with your entire document workflows. Wondering how it all works? Upload a file in docx or PDF format or create a new document from scratch. Type anywhere on a document, add or erase text, set your text size, font, and style. Make important information stand out, add sticky notes, leave comments, and much more. Make your PDFs actionable by adding fillable fields to collect data and feedback. Use samples such as company name, title, date, and signature fields, and make these fields required or optional. With airSlate, you can do a lot more than edit text in your document. Set up no-code bots to populate your document with data from multiple sources, such as CRMs or spreadsheets. Automate notifications, reminders, assign permissions, and so on. Send the document to your recipients. Once they finish completing it, airSlate bots will automatically transfer data entered into fillable fields to any cloud apps you use. Automate even the most complex document workflows of business proposals, agreements, sales invoices, and more. Save time and hassle with the all-in-one no-code solution. airSlate brings your static PDF documents to life. Check it out for yourself by booking a demo.